Thinking about driving with Amazon Flex and not sure how to sort out your insurance with Zego? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up and get on the road without any hassle. To start, make sure you've downloaded the latest version of the Zego delivery app on your phone. Having the updated app prevents most linking issues right from the beginning. Once that's ready, open the Zego delivery app. At the bottom of the screen, tap the button labeled You. This takes you to your personal account area. Next, look for the option that says Add Work Provider. Tap that and you'll see a list of platforms Zego can connect to. Choose Amazon Flex from the list. At this point, you'll be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions. As soon as you accept, Zego will begin linking your account to Amazon Flex. The linking process isn't instant. It can take up to 30 minutes. Once it's done, your Zego and Amazon Flex accounts should be connected and you're good to start driving with the right insurance in place. Now, what if you see a message saying account not linked? Don't panic. There are a few common reasons. If you're brand new to Amazon Flex, you won't be able to link the accounts until you reach the insurance verification stage in the Flex onboarding process. So it's normal if the link doesn't work right away. If you've already reached that stage and it still won't connect, double check that your date of birth and driving license number match exactly on both accounts. Any mismatch, even a typo, can stop the link from working. If something doesn't line up, update your personal details in your Amazon Flex account first, then try again. And that's it. Once everything matches and you've gone through the insurance verification step, Zego will link successfully and you'll be ready to hit the road with Amazon Flex knowing your cover is in place. If this walkthrough helped you out, stick around for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and drive safe.